means that this is the history of application. My application sent, the status of is sent, and the application is submitted on this date, 15 March 2026. At this time, this is the protocol number, and this is the application details. The application details is that personal information and document, course selection done, required document done.
Ubalde official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.
Hello, welcome back to Ubalde official family. Today we are going to see, we are together the scholarship for foreign student and Italian citizenship living abroad awarded by Italian government. So the call for application for the 2026-2027 academic year is open, and the deadline it is March 26, 2026. So let's summarize this wrong announcement, and we will see the step by step how to apply, how to register, create account, and select the program and which country are allowed from scratch up to the end of application. So let's start, and you are welcome. To summarize this announcement, we are going to summarize it in a short minute, quickly. So the government scholarship, this is the official scholarship offered by the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation, and it is an amazing opportunity to study, research, or take language courses in Italy. Stay tuned, because I will give you every single details you need to apply successfully on this announcement. So start with the Italian government scholarship is designed to promote cultural, scientific, and technological cooperation global, support Italy economic system worldwide, promote the Italian language and culture. These scholarships are for on-site attendance in Italy at public or regular recognized private institution. So eligible countries are listed in Italy portal. In your comment, we pin the link to see the listed country, eligible listed country. So you can apply for one country, and if you are an Italian citizen living abroad, you must apply from your country of residence, which includes countries like Argentina, Brazil, France, Germany, Morocco, UK, and many other countries, which is available on the Italy portal. Dual citizens must apply via their foreign citizenship country. So the types of scholarship available in Italy are the one is the master's degree program, which has 9 months potential renewable, and the requirement is to be completed the bachelor degree in first cycle. Some program require admission test or pre-enrollment check university. So I'm still in the announcement. So the second program is the AFAM, or Fine Arts, Music and Dance. So duration is to 9 months potential renewable, must meet institutional academic requirement. Some program require admission test. Third is appear to be programs also to 9 months potential renewable, must meet academic requirement and pass admission test. 4 is a research project. 5 is Italofonia, Italian language and culture courses. 6 it is bachelor and single cycle course 3 more in future renewal only. Then we are going to see the eligibility requirement. So the first is the passport or ID must be uploaded copy on the application portal, and the academic qualification required for your chosen program. Age limit is first year and second cycle. Language is less than or equal 28 years old. Then PhD is less than or equal 30 years old, while research is less than or equal 40 years old. The language requirement is Italian taught about programs means B2 Italian, English taught programs B2 English, and Italofonia courses to A2 Italians. In eligibility, already study in Italy or already had Minister of Italian scholarship in the last 5 years, or Italian public administration employees and the descendants, even also part-time or four-course students. So let's see, the only for students who received the scholarship in 2025-2026 must be for the same program and institution, must provide the proof of at least 15 universities credit. And the funding period is about study scholarship November 1st, 2026 until July 31, 2027, means the 9 months. And the language courses are January up to September 2027, 3 months only. There is special scholarship, international scholarship, is the result the 9 months scholarship from Morocco, Nigeria, and DRC. There is a field of international relationships, development, cooperation, humanitarian, and human rights law. The weak African, the other. So we are going to see now how to apply and all processes. So let's start. But there's a tuition and the many things where you see the November 26 is 5,500 euro. Also February is 200,300 euro, and January is 3,000 euro. So let me start our application process. From this wrong announcement, we have summarized. So now we are going to see how to apply from registering. So this is a portal. You can click on the link in our comment, open it here and click on register. Don't click on login, and then what you can put first, you put your name, for example Ubalde official, surname official, then you choose the date, for example, like and that, then choose a sex, male or female, and then put the telephone. It must be at the best things that start with your country code, then 85567, yeah, and then choose a citizenship. For example, we should choose like okay, these are for example Rwanda is public, the country, birth country, and also be the what you want. Okay, Rwanda, country of residence as also you choose it, and then you choose place of birth, should choose like a Kigali. This is example, and then beside the citizenship of the country you are applying, or do you also have the Italian citizenship? No. Then click on next. After click on next, type, you should choose the type of document. It is a ID card or passport, and then document number is the ID passport number or ID number or passport number. Okay, so example, okay, this is imaginational ID number, and then issued by, you put like your institution that provided, and then put the expiration date, for example, and okay, then you should upload the document of what the, okay, choose the document of your application. Okay, and then click on next. After click on next, you choose the username. So after filling this field username or email, make sure you type the email best way, and the password must be contained the special character, one small letter character and uppercase, and the numbers. Then you click here, I hereby declare that I read the privacy and I agree to the processing of my given personal data for the purpose of indicated. Then you click on register. After clicking on register, you will access the portal. So yes, this is your as a final registration process to start application. Click here to register. After clicking to register, you wait, depends on your internet connection, and then click, you remember to save. This is a login, and you should click on the login. After login, this is verification code sent to my email, and then I should also open my email and check if the two-step verification code sent and as the OTP or one-time password. This is one-time password OTP, and then I put here to go on the next. Okay, 3855 and 1616, and then click on send. This is my OTP. Then this is I have the got to the application portal. After you get here, what you do now, you click on my application. After click on my application, you start here by creating your application. After you click here to creating application, Italian government scholarship. This is a scholarship I'm going to start creating or apply, as we have been created our account. Click on create application. Here are the 3 steps. You see the scholarship application. First 3 are the personal information, and then you check if it is, and then click next. And here they ask some questions. Course selection: have you already benefited from scholarship in the previous academic year? You say no. And you need to submit supplementary document as part 7? No. Type of study program, you choose type. For example, let's choose advanced course in Italian, and then click on the Italy institution, Gachiramo institution. But here then here there's a course name, you put it, and then you put the city, and then you click on save as draft, and you continue with your application. Next, and okay. After you fill in this field, you click on the next, and then the question is that upload the curriculum of it. Okay, this is a language certificate. This is a motivation letter, and this is okay. Then click here. So I declare the beneficial and click on next. Then after you review your document, and then click to tick this three or button, and then click on send. But you should export. After you click on send, you get the protocol number, application submitted on this date, and sent means that this is the history of application. My application sent, the status of is sent, and the application submitted on this date, 15 March 2026. At this time, this is the protocol number, and this is the application details. The application details is that personal information and document, course selection done, required document done, and then I can export also in a PDF as my application status or have done successfully. So if this video helped you, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ubalde Official, for the source of education and technology, and all in your hands. So bye bye, God bless you.